Affiliate marketing, top 5 tips for choosing the best affiliate program. When it comes to internet marketing, one of the most popular ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This type of marketing is all about promoting other people's products to earn a commission from every sale that you make. It's a great way to get started making money online because you don't need to create your product or website to sell. All you have to do is find a company that has a product or service that you can promote and then send traffic to their site. Once they buy the product, you receive a commission. But there are many different types of affiliate programs available. How do you know which one is right for you? In this video, I'm going to give you my top 5 tips for choosing the best affiliate program for you. Tip 1: Look for a program that has low cost, is free or pays you to start. If you're just starting, you'll want to find an affiliate program that has a low cost. This will help you start earning commissions quickly. You should also look for programs that offer a free trial so that you can test drive the program before you purchase it. Or offer a money-back guarantee. Tip 2: Find a program that has an easy-to-follow system. You'll also want to look for an affiliate program that has an easy-to-follow system. There are many affiliate programs out there that offer training videos and ebooks. These can be helpful, but they aren't always enough. You should also look for a program that offers step-by-step instructions on how to make money. There are some programs that will send emails and do most of the follow-up for you. Tip 3: Find a program that has multiple products to promote. You'll want to look for an affiliate program that has multiple products to promote. This will help you earn commissions from multiple sales. You will want a mix of free, recurring income products and high-ticket products. Tip 4: Look for a program that does most of the work for you. You'll want to look for a program to do the selling for you. They should also show you how to contact your prospects to contact them on your behalf. They can also provide you with lead magnets to encourage people to join you. Tip 5: Look for a program that keeps up to date. You'll also want an affiliate program that will update you monthly if not weekly. They shouldn't get feedback from their users and have a robust support system. They should also show recent testimonials of the system working. I hope that I have given you a good place to start when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you would like my recommendation, let me know. I have listed my recommendations in my YouTube descriptions, my social media and my blog.